Top 10 fastest motorcycles in the world. Ducati, I guess. No. Norton V4 RR. Claimed peak power 200 bhp. Estimated dry weight 179 kg. Power and weight 1.117 bhp per kg. There is no denying that Norton V4 launched 2017 is surrounded by more than its fair share to controversy, but the news this week that new owners TVCs are looking for production staff. In fact, that is still available to order, and the promises demand that it's included here. The relevant numbers are acclaimed 200 bhp from its home brevet but Aprilia inspired, 1200cc 72-degree V4, a dry weight of 179 kg from its aluminum tube frame and cycle parts including Ohlins suspension and Brembo brakes and more. We're just not sure when you might be able to get one. Look at the beast. On number 9th, 2020 MV Agusta Rush. Claimed peak power 208 bhp. Estimated dry weight 186 kg. Power weight 1.118 bhp per kg. Another new bike delayed by all this COVID-19 stuff, but it promises to be worth the wait. MV announced this week that the 300 limited edition carbon bedecked Rush, the concept bike styled roadster based on Brutal 1000, while now starting being delivered in June, and it's so wacky and potent it had to be included here. MV claimed 205 bhp and its 998cc 4208 with race pipe, a dry weight of 186 kg, a top speed over 300 kph if you can hang on, to go with its oddball looks, twin pipes, and 29,680 euros price. Suzuki Gixxer 1000R. Claimed peak power 199.2 bhp.